Nature. Nature smells so good.
Yeah. You smell that nature?
Yes. Good cameraman.
Come on. Oh. I forgot. This is behind the scenes video.
Yeah.
Let's go. I gotta take a crap. These are all my doo-doo stains. Basically, I don't know what to do at this point. I'm about to fall on this tree. This big palm tree. Catch this on video, cameraman. Oh.
There's a palm tree with these little balls.
The nuts fell on me. Son of a biscuit. Nothing. Come over here. This good plant sucks in water. Can you believe that?
Yes, and it's pokey.
Get your dang hands off it. Come on. Let's feed it some water.
Yeah. Wait, I know where we can get water from.
Where?
Our mouths.
I'm about to smack your
Let's
neck.
go.
I know you that's what to do. Stop that. You're being mean to the nature. Nature is not so good sometimes. Because they think we're about to kill him. But we really do. We need to get the...
Bros, let's wait for my bro to come out. Stop. He's getting it.
Nate, we got the water. Let's go.
Give me one. Give me one.
After this plant needs to live.
Give me one.
Fine. That's all I let you do.